Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into SRP alert app review in order to check if the app is worth downloading. So let's dive into it. The SRP alert app helps you stay on the top of price movement, news, and market signal, specifically for XRP. If you trade and you want push notification for big price swing, the key support, resistance break, or project related update, it can be a handy way to keep alert right on your phone without consistent watching chart. However, apps like these often suffer from noisy or exaggerated notification, and the accuracy, timelessness of alerts can vary. Some users also report frequent alerts, data delay, or alerts that trigger on minor dips or rise, which can feel more like noise than insight. So my opinion, I actually think it's worth downloading if you are active trader or if you are actively tracking SRP and you want price update on the go, but don't rely solely on it as a trading signal by itself. Use it alongside with solid and trusted market data, and that's it.